All right, guys. So in this case, I want to show you guys how to create links within your sites. Creating and inserting links are probably one of the easiest things to do and make you look really professional. You'll see them in docs that I send out and so on. And instead of having that long URL, you instead have a link that shows it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you remember, I'm on my practice site, and you see things like this link below. And you know that whenever you see things that are in blue and they're underlined, it's a link to somewhere. And you'll notice that it's not a big, long URL. If I tried to click on this, it doesn't immediately go to the website or that page, in which case people usually freak out and are, oh no, I can't get there. I can, but not when I'm not in preview mode. So remember, I'm not in preview mode. I'm in the editing side of this, or when it's published. So if I wanted to see these links work, I would go to preview and I could check that my link goes to where it needs to go. Otherwise, I can sit here and actually hope that it does. This would be the editing link where I could click on that and you'll see that I've gone ahead and linked it. So I could check that or change that link as needed. So I'm going to go to my original new pages, the Mrs. Dinges Loves Cats, and I want to go ahead and add links to these pages to allow me to navigate to the different pages. So I'm going to go to Insert, and I can go ahead and use text box. And that opens up this text box right here. I can change my layouts of my page, by the way, just in case I want to. In this case, I can go ahead and use this one if I didn't want to use that text box. You'll notice over here there's a delete. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and use this layout, and I am going to say Mrs. Dinges Loves Cat Pictures, right? Since that's the title of it. So I'm going to go ahead and click. And when I click on this down below area or any text box, it usually offers me up these options. This one tells me normal text, or I can make it heading and whatever. I just need it to be normal text. I can bold it. I can italicize it, which makes it slant. I can center it, which it currently is, or I could change it any other option. Bullet list. Actually, that's a numbered list, bullet list. And this handy dandy one is to insert a link. But if I didn't want to start with that and I want to say click and then I want to make the word here be really fancy, I would click on this and I'm going to go ahead and put text because I want it to say here. And then I'm going to go ahead and link to whatever page I've already created. Like I told you, you have to already have the pages to be able to create them. So I'm going to want to link it to that cat pictures one, and I apply it, and now it's linked to that other page that you saw. If I want to go here, Mrs. Dinges Loves, I gotta change that, cat videos, and I want it to go to that place. I could do it again, click, I go to this embed link. You kind of got to watch that, like see, it'll be up there. Cat videos, and I can change this so it doesn't say cat videos. I can make it say whatever I want. Here, again, well, let's make it all caps. I like it better. And I apply it, and now those links will work. I'm going to change this one because this is grammatically incorrect, and that would be a problem. So now these can easily be linked to those other pages that I have over here. And so if I clicked on those, so if I go to preview, and you'll notice I'm now in preview mode because I no longer have those options up here, and I go to here, I can check that this is in fact linked to the cat pictures one. To exit out of preview mode, I'm going to go ahead and X out, and that takes me back into my editing mode for this. And I can continue to just add links as needed. You'll see this link a lot. This one is not adding a link. This one is to copy the published link site, which we have done but haven't done. You haven't actually done it. So that is not the link one that you want. It is as you're typing, you will want to, it'll show you, like, see, I have the option to add a link here if I wanted to go to cat videos and so on. So that is how you specifically can insert links to places.